Want to hike the TMB with a tiny day pack while your big bag gets a chauffeur? Here's the fast guide to Tour du Mont Blanc luggage transfer. What is the TMB luggage transfer? A company moves your overnight bag from today's accommodation to tomorrow's, so you hike light. How the TMB bag transfer works. Label your soft duffel. Put your bag at reception by 8 a.m. Double-check the time given to you. Delivery window by 1600-2000. Hike with a day pack only. Bag type plus weight. Soft duffel. Weight limit 15 kilo. 33s. Overweight bags may be refused or charged extra. Keep valuables with you. Soft bags with wheels may be allowed, double check, but the companies won't accept responsibility for any damage. Hard shell suitcases are usually not accepted. Nights where bag transfer isn't available. Some mountain accommodations aren't vehicle accessible, so your luggage skips to the next road accessible stop. Pack a mini overnight kit in your day pack. Smart logistics. Book a staffed hotel the night before you start hiking, and for your final night so someone can receive the bag. How to book the Tour du Mont Blanc luggage transfer. At Monkeys and Mountains Hiking Tours, luggage transfer is included in our 6-day luxury tour and optional on our 7- and 10-day tours. Otherwise, contact Taxi Mont Blanc to organize yourself. What to keep in your day pack on non-served nights. Liner, warm layer, rain jacket, meds, toiletries, socks, power bank, snacks. Future you will clap. Reality check. If your packing list starts with what if, you need TMB luggage transfer and still pack less. Quick TMB luggage transfer FAQ. Where is my luggage left? Usually reception or a designated spot, not in your room. Pickup time, put it out by 8 a.m., but double check the time. What type of bags are accepted? Soft shell luggage. Hard shell suitcases are not usually accepted. Weight limit 15 kg 33 Overweight bags may be refused or charged extra. Can they reach every place? No. Plan for a few non-served nights. Who should use TMB luggage transfer? Great for anyone who wants big views without hauling a big pack. Knees will send thank you notes. Want everything handled for you. Routes, bookings, Tour du Mont Blanc, luggage transfer, and great accommodations. Check out Monkeys and Mountains hiking tours in the description. Hike light, live large.